welcome to my channel Butterflies. Today I'm gonna make a perfect sandwich.
Hi all, I'm Shabla. Happy to be a part of this Fireless cooking competition. Today I'm introducing my little chef Barza.
Hi all, I'm Chef Barza from grade-2 at Abu Dhabi Indian School Al Waqfa. Today I'm gonna make a healthy sandwich. To prepare this, we only need 3 ingredients and some vegetables. I take 3 bread and cut inside and flattened it. Like this, we have to flatten and also stick it together. See? This is the homemade green chutney for the sandwich. Next, we have to spread it. Like this, we have to spread it over bread. Like this. Finally, this is ready. Now we have to put cheese on it. Take cheese. Okay, let me take the cheese. This is the cheese. Let's slowly take it out of the careful. Okay. We have to put it on the bread. And the next one. Okay. And put it. And put some chopped vegetables. Okay. I'm putting chopped cabbage. Then I put chopped carrot. I put chopped cabbage on it. Then I add some sliced baby tomato. After that, I add some sliced cucumber. Now I'm going to add salt pepper powder. Next, I'm adding tomato ketchup. Step is to roll it with cling wrap. is we have to tightly roll it and we can put in the fridge for 30 minutes. It will be perfect. Next step, I'm gonna put this into the serving plate. This is my perfect sandwich. Now, I will tell you the healthy benefits of my dish. Breakfast. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day. Milk. Milk is a complete food. So, I add 1 cup of milk to my dish. Cheese. Cheese is a great source of calcium and protein. It is a bodybuilding food. Vegetables. Vegetables. Carrot, cucumber, tomato, cabbage are protective food. You can make this for your breakfast because it's so yummy and so healthy. For a healthy food habit, we must add energy-giving food, bodybuilding food, and protective food to our daily meals. And we must also drink plenty of water. Along with food, we must also do regular exercise. On this occasion, I humbly request you all, please don't waste food. Respect the food. Thank you. Bye. I'm going to try it. Yummy. Let me try the cucumber, okay? That's yummy.